Hello everyone, I'm very happy to meet you all in a dot mandala bookmark video. Here is a small bookmark base, here is the tassel, and these are the colors that I'm going to use: gold, light green and greenery. Let me start making the bookmark now. I'll start with golden dot in the center. Now I'll keep very tiny golden dots around this dot. Now I'll keep greenery dots around this main dot. Now I'll keep two tiny dots in between. Now I'll keep 8 light green dots in this circle. Now I'll keep a small light green dot here. Now I'm going to keep two golden dots, one here and another one here. Now I'll keep two greenery dots just below this golden dot. I'll do the same thing in the other side. So now I'll keep two light green dots now. I'll do the same thing in the other side. Now I'll work the dots first and the second layer using greenery. I'll do the same working the dots in this side too. Now I'll work the dot third and the fourth layer using light green. I'll do the same design in the other side. Now I'll keep two golden dots, one here and another one here. Now I'll work the dots here in gold. Now I'm sure all of you love this design. Let me now tie this tassel here. I'm just a little cautious so that the tassel doesn't touch the paint there. So the bookmark is ready. I'm sure all of you love this video and thank you for watching.